relatively better Kashmir is doing since the abrogation of the Article 370. And the best thing that they got is the administrative control, the restoration of the administrative control. So this is a clear representation of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas.
Welcome to the Keys and MUN podcast, where we delve into the world of model United Nations, discussing current events, politics, and everything in between. Today, we have a special guest with us, Sharon Maiti, the Vice Chair of AIPPM. Welcome, Sharon.
Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor to be here.
Let's start with something personal. What made you join the Keys and MUN?
So I read in one of my textbooks that the word Kaizen in Japanese means change for better. So I believe that this would be a great platform for the young generation to come here and through their performance make a change in the world. So to be honest, I feel delighted to be a part of this amazing team, and I believe that we are definitely gonna rock it in the 2 days.
Yes, nice, Sharon. Now, moving on to the current affairs. What are your thoughts on the 2024 budget as the increased budget of 2024-25? Do you think it was necessary?
So we know that our country's economy is rapidly growing. So I believe that we are kind of in a position कि हमें एक increased budget की ज़रूरत थी. And right now, as we see, our country's population is huge, right? And the new budget gives emphasis more on the skill development of youth, the employment, and human resource development. So I believe that the budget is good, but again, it kind of has a negative impact on the market segment, the investors, due to the increased capital gains taxes. So I believe that the new budget is both a vice and a virtue for our nation.
True, Sharon. Now, how do you feel about AIPPM in the comparison of Lok Sabha? Do you think it's better?
So in my opinion, Lok Sabha and AIPPM both are very interesting and enjoyable committees, and they are both important as well. Lok Sabha is a platform where it's based on how the parliament actually functions, whereas AIPPM is a platform for unrestricted debates and discussions, deliberations, and it is free from the parliamentary legislative functions. So I believe in a democracy, it is very crucial to know about all the political parties, and we know there are around 2,000 political parties registered in our country. So I believe that AIPPM is a place which gives us deeper knowledge about the ideologies and what the parties of our country stand for. So I think AIPPM is a better place as a committee.
Yes, Sharon, I totally agree with you. Now, the removal of Article 370 has played a vital role in the Indian politics. Do you think it was necessary?
We all as Indians have seen how relatively better Kashmir is doing since the abrogation of the Article 370. And the best thing that they got is the administrative control, the restoration of the administrative control. So this is a clear representation of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, because now Kashmiris are free and they are allowed to join the rest of India, just like the Indian other states. They are in peace, they are progressing, and I believe that is a really great thing. As Indians, we should be in unity, and Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas has been shown here. So yes.
Very true, Sharon. The Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) has been a topic of immense debate. What are your thoughts on it and on NRC?
So I think the reason why this topic is so controversial is because it creates India's first religion-based citizenship test. And we all know, since the Modi government has come into power, our country's national security has increased to a really great level. So I don't think it was entirely necessary to bring this, but again, it is good to help the people who are suffering, the minority groups of our neighboring countries. It is good to help them, and also I don't think there is any harm in counting the citizenry of our country. So I stand with CAA. I am in full support of CAA.
Yes, Sharon, you are correct. Let's talk about the concept of one nation, one election. What do you think about it? And personally, are you a leftist or a rightist?
So the whole idea of synchronizing all the elections together itself creates a chaos in my head. But yes, the thing is that there is no actual guarantee that the political leaders of our country will focus more on the actual issues if the elections are being held at the same time. So I believe, and I personally support a center right to right wing party, and I believe that it is going to, violate our constitution. So I think I would not be in favor of this act by the government.
Yes, Sharon. As a seasoned MUN participants, what are your advice for the first timers?
कॉन्फिडेंस इज की. आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसा होना चाहिए कि भाई सामने वाले को लगे कि भाई ये बंदा गलत बोल ही नहीं सकता. दैट इज हाउ योर कॉन्फिडेंस शुड बी. एंड वी ऑल लर्न, वी ऑल मेक मिस्टेक, सो देर इज नथिंग टू बी स्केर्ड ऑफ, राइट. आप जो भी बोल रहे हो, यू शुड बी फर्म, यू शुड बी स्टैंडिंग फॉर वॉट यू बिलीव इन. दैट इज हाउ MUN इज, एंड इट इज़ अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर मोर देन विनिंग, मोर देन जीतने के बजाय हमें ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए कि हम यहाँ पे क्या सीखें और अपनी ज़िंदगी में उस चीज़ को कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करें. सो दैट इज़ माई एडवाइस टू दी फर्स्ट टाइमर्स.
Yes, Sharon. Finally, what was your experience as a first timer?
So my first experience in an MUN was in Delhi. It was a UN committee, Commission on the Status of Women. And to be very honest, I had not attended any of the mock sessions. So I was totally confused, like when to speak, how to speak, regarding the rules of procedure. And to be very honest, I got bored. And when I came to Gujarat, I started participating in Indian committees, AIPPM, Lok Sabha. I'm more of a Lok Sabha person. And to be honest, I really enjoyed here, and eventually I found my field of interest, that is politics. So yeah, that was the thing.
Thank you so much, Sharon. Your insights, experience are truly valuable. I'm sure the listeners have gained a lot from this conversation. And thank you to all the listeners who has joined the podcast. And stay tuned until next time. Goodbye.